In this example, we have division of polynomials. How we do this? We will use long division. So first, we copy first polynomial. We have t squared plus 15t. We always check if and write this polynomial with decreasing order. But in this example, we have all terms from t squared. Next is t, and we have 56. We don't have t. It means t is in 0 power. So we have plus 56. And this polynomial we have to divide by t plus 7. So how we do this? We focus only on t and the first term. We have t squared. By what I have to multiply t to get t squared? By t. So, at the top we write the solution. T times t give me t squared. So now we have to multiply every term in the parentheses by this t. So t times t is t squared. T times 7 is 7t. Positive 7t we have now. We have to underline. And we have to subtract from our polynomial, which we have at the beginning, what we got from multiplication. So we have t squared minus t squared is 0. We don't have to write. Next we have 15t minus, because we have negative and positive, so it will be negative 7t. 15t minus 7t. We copy t, and 15 minus 7 is 8. And we have to take down 56, positive 56. And again, focus only on the first term. We have 8t. By what I have to multiply t to get 8t? By 8. Positive 8. So at the top we have to write 8. And now again we have to do multiplication. 8 times t is 8t. 8 times 7. We have to multiply every term in our parentheses, but by whatever we write here. 8 times 7 is 56. Positive 56. Now we have to again underline and subtract. 8t minus 8t is 0. 56 minus 56, because negative and positive give me negative. 56 minus 56 is 0. So we see that this term now reduced. We don't have here anything. So now our division, t squared plus 15t plus 56 divided by t plus 7, we can rewrite that this is t plus 8. So our solution for this problem is t plus 8.